Hi guys, so I'm going to be reviewing the Younique Moodstruck Precision Brow Liner, which is this one. I purchased it from Younique, helping a friend reach her goal on Facebook. So I never tried this product before. The only product I tried before for my eyebrows is the BH Cosmetics the brow pomade thing. And I use this Wet n Wild brow and eyeliner, and this one is called Black, the color. I don't know if you guys can see it there. So I'm gonna do this eye with the Younique, and this is how much of the products come in. This is all of the product. That's a lot to me. I mean, you don't use a lot of it. You only use a little bit. And it does have a spoolie on the other end. So let me comb my hair first. I don't have nothing on my eyebrows. They are naked. Take off my glasses because they're gonna be bugging me. I'm not a makeup professional, so just letting you guys know. I'm trying to look here and here, but I'm gonna look at the mirror because I can see it better here. So you start off by drawing in some light strokes. Oh, and I forgot to say the color of this one. The shade is called Dark. So yeah, go in drawing. Oh, I already messed up here. I went overboard. But you just go in with your concealer and just clean it up. So I'm gonna trace the outline first and go to the bottom. Hopefully I'm in frame.
And now you just fill it in.
I like to do light in the inner right here because I don't like that harsh line that I see in other people do. I don't think that's cute or natural. I'm sorry guys, but I like it to look natural. I think that's good enough. And then I just go in and try to like take out that harsh line a little bit here. And then I just go in with the concealer and clean up if I did go outside the shape of my eyebrow. And then you just check it like this, and then the high point should be there, and then it should end right here. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I just like to pluck my eyebrows. I don't like doing the wax because I only have a little bit of hair, so I don't like the wax, so I just pluck it myself. Okay, so there you can see how it looks. And now I'm gonna go in with my go-to liner that I like to use. So this one, I'm gonna try it now. Oh my god, it's gonna be blocking you guys. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, let's do outline first. This one does come out darker, so it doesn't give that natural look. It gives off the look like if it's tattooed or something. This one does come out like thick, the product, so it sticks to my hair. Let me use the spoilie of the other. I just go in with the spoilie, and try to like blend in those harsh lines. So that is how that one came out. And then this is the Younique one. Now let me just clean it up right quick. So here is how they look. Now I'm just gonna add some brow gel, and I'm just using the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Gel. And this is to keep the hairs in place. So here is the comparison for the Younique, and then this is Wet n Wild. As you can see, this one looks a little bit more natural. It's not that dark, and this one is, you can tell it's really dark. I kind of like this one better now because it gives it more of a natural feel than this one. This one looks so dramatic. Okay, this one is the YSL one. So that is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. This is my lashes naturally, and here it is with the YSL. And then for this eye, since I already have the Younique brow there, fiber eyelashes. I had this for a while. This is their Moodstruck 3D fiber lashes. As you can see right there. Okay, for this you have to put the transplanting gel first, which is this one.
I blinked. Sorry, guys. I look like I got beat up or something.
Okay, try it one more time. Okay, and now you put in the fibers one. Moodstruck natural fibers. This is to give it the illusion that you have like fake lashes on. This is how the tip applicator looks. It has little mini fibers in it. Hopefully you guys can see it. As it focuses. Okay, so now you can see the little fibers sticking onto my lashes. And you could do as many coats as you want if you want that thick illusion, but I only do one coat because I don't want it to be that thick. And then you gotta go again with your transplanting gel to lock them in. So there it goes. You can see the two different types of mascara. This is YSL mascara and Wet n Wild brow eyeliner. And then this is Younique products here. This is their brow liner, and this is their 3D.
Oh, what is this?
And this is their 3D fiber glasses. Oh my god. And this is their 3D fiber mascara. So that was just a little quick review so you guys can see the comparison from like drugstore makeup, except for this one. This one is high-end compared to Younique products. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. And I hope you guys had a great happy new year, and I wish you all the best this new year, and I'll see you later. Bye.